Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Cody. I'm here today in my garage, actually, not the normal shop, and I just wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys. I got a new engine in from CSS yesterday, actually. I already unboxed it because I'm just super impatient, but I just wanted to kind of open it up, let y'all see what's going on with it. This is for the Integra, actually. I got in contact with them about a month or so ago, maybe a little more than that, and I wanted to get with them about building a block that would produce at least 800 horsepower. Realistically, a lot of people push these above that. The only thing that's really stopping this one right now would be the rods. Even then, it's really not it'd be catastrophic failure if I did go over that. But to be safe and for street use, I'll probably be around 700-ish. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this. Alright, so here we go. Here's our package. Gonna re-unbox it, I guess. It was 123 pounds. So what I got with this was I got the CSS on the block, but I also got it assembled with rods and pistons. They micro polished the crank. They added the full race bearings. And then they jet washed it, board honed it, decked it, all that kind of clean stuff. Yeah, like I said, I did want this to be fairly completed for me. Right now, the only thing I'm really going to have to do to this is add my head onto it, which you saw in another video, is that K24A2 head that we got from the junkyard. And then I need to get a ported Type S oil pump, which I'm going to probably get that from 4Piston. And then I also need to get a new oil pan, which I'm not quite sure if I'm going to get like just a regular OEM one, which would be more than good enough, or what I'm going to do with that one yet. So that's kind of, gonna take place at the end of it. So now opening it up, whenever I opened it up, this was the first thing that they added into it. This is actually the break-in procedure that they recommend to do. Anytime they have a recommendation for a break-in, I would recommend that you do it, basically. This helps to, just in case anything goes bad, like right off the bat, this helps kind of prevent that. And if it does happen, then a lot of the times they will warranty this kind of stuff. I think CSS is up to 400 horsepower. If you have everything, like if it's you have your dyno tune and everything, then they will warranty it if everything looks good on it. Obviously, if there's faulty tuning or anything, if it's not the engine builder's fault of why it blew, then they won't warranty it. But there are little things that, it happens, mistakes are made, a bearing could be in wrong or something like that. So it just kind of helps, cover your butt and everything in those situations. Moving forward from this, the sticker actually put on the top, it wasn't in here, it was actually inside the covering for the motor itself. They use these foam that expand and go cover it exactly how it should be. Whenever I did first open this, this was fully covered in this wrap. Everything was really awesomely packaged. This right here is the top of it. You can see super freaking clean. Beautiful job. The stickers and everything were in here. They also added a shirt in here, which I took it up to my apartment already, so I was pretty excited to get that one. But yeah, as you can see, they completely, that's like mirror finish. They did a beautiful job on this block. Everything that I could get done apart from a full sleeve has been done to this. The only thing that I would probably do different if I was going that route would have probably been a little bit more stout of rod. This does have, like I said, full race bearings. It does have upgraded wrist pins. The pistons would be the same that I would use even if I was going higher horsepower. But other than that, like, everything else is just completely great. This is a K24A1 block out of a CRV. I got it off of a guy who bought a Miata, and he was going to swap it with this engine, but he, I guess, started researching and found out how expensive it would be, which I don't blame him for not wanting to go that route. But so I got it for a heck of a price. I got the full complete engine from top to bottom for $200 actually. And then I got it home, or back to Chris's shop. We tried to turn it over, and the piston rings were actually stuck to the cylinder walls. So we decided, well, I was eventually going to build it. I wasn't going to go that route at this time, but I figured might as well. I mean, we're at this point right now, so might as well do it. So then another mistake, which makes it to where I didn't really get that great of a deal on this engine, is whenever it was at CNC Works getting the CSS done, they found out that the crank was bent out of tolerance. Jeff called me and basically told me like they have a not like overly tight but a pretty tight tolerance on these cranks, and he said that if I was running it for an OEM use it would have been more than okay, but with the application that I'm trying to go with, he recommended that I got something that was not as bent, so I had to get another one through them. But I mean, to be honest, like the price that they charged me was cheaper than anywhere else I can find. The only thing that might have been better is if I would have known that we were getting that K24A2 from the junkyard, I could have used that crank, but at the time I didn't know. Plus, by the time I did that and paid for the shipping and everything, it probably would have added up to about the same cost anyway. But other than that, this is the block. You will see it here soon. I will get it out and take it to Chris's shop. We'll have it on the engine stand. I'm actually going to try to paint the block a nice aluminum color, try to keep it looking fresh and everything, because I want to do a decent build with the Integra. So other than that, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned. We will have plenty of more updates. Chris has already started to buy stuff for the RSX that he has. So there's going to be many videos coming for that, many videos coming for the Integra for the all-wheel drive hatch. So just stay in tuned and see what we got going on.